Hey guys, this is Greg Kononenko, the caffeinated blogger, and I hope you're doing great today. Today we're going to take a look at El Bendito, which is a new product that went live yesterday. It's a training course, a really great training course, and I want to show you inside this training course how the whole thing works. A few of you have actually emailed me asking why I have not reviewed it. So I'm catching up with this product that actually went live yesterday. I didn't get a chance to make this review yesterday, and I want to show you. I'm here inside the members area. I want to show you all of the videos. I want to show you how this works and some of the really cool things that I liked about it. So first of all, let's just jump over to the sales page and take a look at that. So look, word of sort of caution, this sales page is a little bit hypey. Okay, as you can see, it's going to be just full of income proof and screenshots and so forth, and the headline says real life case study shows you how we made $419 per hour with just 1 hour of simple work. Now the product itself is put together by this gentleman here. His name is Anthony Mancuso. I've known Anthony for several months now. He's actually promoted a few of my products, and he's done extremely well on promotions. He's not someone that, you know, I was noticing literally just 6 or 12 months ago. I don't think he was doing affiliate marketing at that point in time, but he's stormed into this affiliate marketing arena, and he's done very strong affiliate promotions for me now a couple of times on some of the product launches that I have been involved in. So I know for sure that Anthony is a skilled affiliate marketer. Now let's just run through the sales page here quickly. So yes, $419 per hour. That's wow. As you can see here, there are some screenshots that Anthony has put of his affiliate promotions and how long it took him to create each of these affiliate promotions. So he made 1,100 on the Blocks affiliate promo, 2,000 on Fuego, 2,300 on Ignition, and so forth. And you can see that this just, you know, goes on and on and on. And look, bottom line is this product actually works. Anthony actually makes money with affiliate marketing, so he knows what he's talking about. So I just want to jump back into the members area and actually walk you through the product. So obviously this is about affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing works. It's excellent. I started doing affiliate marketing seriously in 2015 on Warrior Plus and JVZoo affiliate networks. Since then, I've gone on to generate multiple 6 figures in affiliate commissions myself. So it can be very profitable if you just dedicate yourself to it, and if you you know, learn different aspects of how to do this. And El Bendito is actually a really excellent course for that. So the whole premise of El Bendito is that it's based on a case study. So one of the videos here on the left hand side, you'll be able to see that this is actually a case study. Okay, and in this case study, Anthony shows you the results of just one of the promotions that he's run. So you can see here the Ignition promotion. You can see that he's made 113 sales and he made $2,325 in commissions as of the time when he was making this video. Okay, so I mean that's just one product. That's pretty damn impressive. You know, for a lot of people, just doing this kind of promotion once or twice a month would be really awesome, and it will help a lot to pay bills and, you know, put food on the table and all of those kinds of things. And, you know, obviously Anthony does many of these per month. So the results are real. I've seen Anthony on the leaderboards, so he definitely knows what he's talking about. Now, how does the product actually work? Well, he's got this next video, which is called Overview. And in all honesty, you know, when you just look at this video, it doesn't look like anything, wow, mind-blowing. This is completely amazing and crazy. He shows you the funnel that he uses himself, and essentially it is getting traffic to a squeeze page, which then goes to a bridge page, which then goes to the sales page of the affiliate offer. And you can see here that he has listed a few traffic sources: solo ads, Facebook ads, and Bing PPC. Now, don't actually worry about that, because he does have he's included a way for you to drive traffic from a free traffic source, and I'm also including bonuses that will help you drive free traffic. Okay, so traffic is covered, don't worry about that. The cool twist here comes from reseller rights, which allow you to earn 50% commissions on you know, on the products that you're going to promote. So typically with Warrior Plus and JVZoo offers, what happens is you generally make anywhere between 50 to 100% on the main product, on the front end product, like the first product basically in the funnel. And then on any of the upsells, you generally make 50%. Anthony shows a really cool way to be able to multiply that and get 100% across every single product. And, you know, of course, if you... Okay, so look at this. So he is just listing something here in one of the videos that I saw. All right, here we go. So here he gives a really good example. Okay, so look at this. So here is a product that Anthony promoted himself, okay? And you will be able to see here, excuse me, that when he went to promote this product, the main product is $12.95. So everyone can make 100% of this front-end product if you make a sale, okay? But the upgrades are $37, $97, and $2,000. Now imagine if you were able to upgrade your commissions and start making 100% on $37 and $97 and $2,000. I mean, that would be very, very cool, wouldn't it? Because all of a sudden, instead of making just 50% commissions on all of those, you're starting to make 100% commissions on all of those, and your profitability goes through the roof, obviously. If you're able to do that, then you're able to turn a lot more profit, and you're able to even start buying a little bit of traffic because you're just making so much on every single sale that comes through the funnel. So that's the main sort of difference, I guess, one of the differentiating factors between El Bandito and a lot of other affiliate marketing training courses that I have seen. Now, there are 18 videos in total that go through in a lot of detail about how to structure the funnel, how to get the traffic. I'll just highlight a few of the key ones here. Okay, squeezing the lead is basically about how do you build a list from all of this traffic that comes in. How do you not just make sales, but actually create and start growing your list. Then he shows you how to build a bridge page. Bridge page is essentially somewhere where the person, after they opt in, they land before they click through to buy the product. So this will form part of the affiliate funnel for you. In terms of the traffic sources that Anthony covers, you've got solo ads, you've got Bing ads, you've got search engine optimization, which is a free traffic method, forum marketing, which is a free traffic method, and Reddit traffic hack. Now, guys, I just want to go to my review here for a second, and if you're watching this on YouTube, click through below this video to come to my blog review page, and you'll be able to see all of the bonuses that I'm offering. I'm actually offering some awesome bonuses that will work really, really well with El Bandito, and those bonuses are here. Okay, so there are a ton of traffic bonuses. So from El Bandito, you can learn how to get 100% commission across the funnel, and all of the other hacks that Anthony has discovered for his affiliate marketing business. But with my bonuses, you will be able to also drive a lot more traffic. So for example, as a first bonus, I'm showing you how I personally get over 30,000 monthly visitors to my websites. All right, and that's completely free traffic. So you can use this traffic with the El Bandito system. The other thing you can do is, the other bonuses that I've got here is my recent case study where one of my partners shows how he's making between $10,000 to $15,000 a month with eCom. We launched that recently. We're selling that for $27 right now, but it'll be yours for free if you pick up El Bandito through my link. There is also the third bonus. I'm including my previous affiliate marketing training, which once again shows my own methods of doing affiliate marketing. It'll work really, really well with El Bandito. And the last couple of bonuses, once again, will show you how to get extremely cheap and very targeted traffic from Bing and from Facebook. So if you pick up El Bandito, you will also get all of these bonuses that I've just listed, and you'll have multiple ways of driving traffic to your affiliate offers to the El Bandito system. Okay. So guys, once again, this has already gone live. The price right now is around $12.95. I think that is still the price. So it's still very, very cheap, still the price of 2 or 3 coffees. I highly recommend that you check this out. I think that the product is very high quality. If you're not making affiliate commissions yet, this is something that you can definitely pick up and just start implementing right away. So click the link below this video if you're watching this on YouTube. Then you'll land onto my blog review page, and you'll be able to click the buy button there and buy this product while it's still on early bird pricing. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a good day, good night, depending where in the world you are, and I will talk to you guys soon.